Hello, this is a short little video on showing you how to save some time while you're listing with TextBlaze. Basically, instead of typing a lot of things out or relying only on templates, you can have the text from your templates stored here. It makes it very easy to change and very easy to use. I use it for listing templates, I use it for email templates. I use it for all kinds of things. So let me just quickly show you how to get set up. First, you want to go to blaze.today. It'll bring you to this screen and you click on go to dashboard in order to create an account. I already have an account, but I'm going to start from scratch just to kind of show you guys um, what it would look like for you. So let me go get a little temporary email address real quick, come back. So you can sign in just with your Google account if you have that, but I'm just going to use this fake email and password. And it'll take just about anything and create an account. It's going to ask you to verify your email. And if I stay in this page, it'll eventually show up and I can verify it. Um, but we're not going to worry about that right now. So going back to TextBlaze, when you get in here, let me tell you what you're seeing. These are a bunch of examples, right? So if you were to use slash checkout, then this text you it would automatically come up for you. I don't really use any of the templates that they have there. I create my own, and they group them into folders. You can have 10 different ones per folder, and I find that that's actually pretty useful for me. So I have like 10 um, listing templates and then 10 email. Well, I don't even have 10. I have like 5 email templates that I use. So you can go in here and I just blow these out. Like I don't need them. I'm not going to delete them all because I don't want the video to be too long. So let's just say if you wanted to make a new group, right? You name that group eBay listing templates because, that's what I care about. And inside of that group, I'm going to create a new shortcut. So I like to keep my things organized. So this listing template will be for shirts. I don't want to use any special keys. I'm just going to use SSS. The only thing that I'll say about whatever shortcut you use, just make sure that it's something that you wouldn't normally type. SS would be too common, so you definitely want to use, an additional character. Then I'm going to go over here and find a description that I would typically use for shirts and just paste it on in there. Um, for whatever reason, it doesn't like um, word bullets and things, but I did find, for example, if I copy this directly from like an email account or something like that, an email message, you could just use it as is. So let's just say we're happy with that. We're happy with the spacing. We're happy with the words. Really, you're done. Like, there's literally nothing else to do. I'm going to create one more template just to show you like how fast it is. Condition, and I'm going to do CCC because I'm old and I'll remember that. And maybe let's get to the right place. And maybe for that, we're just going to, the condition description is all we want. All right. So we're done here. So if I were to go into eBay right now, and I have a listing that I'm putting together, and it's for a shirt. If I type SSS, immediately what I type or what I had in my template is going to show up here. If I go to where's that condition description? So let's just say if this is a pre-owned thing and I actually wanted to add a condition description, I type CCC and then my condition description is in there. So that helps me save a little bit of time, especially when I've got like multiple things that if I'm listing things that aren't necessarily in the same category, it's great to use the templates, but I find for me that the keywords or the keyboard shortcuts are faster. And so TextBlaze helps me do a lot with this. Now, there's one more tip that I want to share with you before I get completely done with this thing. I wondered if that'll delete them all. Yes, it will. Awesome. So when you're in here, how do you get there? How do you get there? Okay, so if you click on Text Blaze, there's a scratch pad. So whatever you've built, you can actually test it out here and then or undo and then test out whatever it is that you want to do. The final tip that I wanted to share with you guys is hold on. You can go to your account settings and you can actually export these templates that you've built. So you can have multiple groups over here, but it will only take 10 in each group. For example, if I wanted to do something a little different for Poshmark or whatever, then I could just have my little Poshmark group and add as many in there as I want to. If you try to go past 10, you will get an error. So I hope this was helpful. I hope it's short because I don't like long things. And let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment box, and I'll do my best to answer them. Take care.